Let's talk about the Asante Kente fabric. You know, it's the fabric of kings and commoners. It's really the fabric of identity and cultural heritage. The Kente cloth is historically associated with the Asante Empire, which is also known as the Ashanti Empire. The Asante political state began in the late 16th century, in what is today the West African country of Ghana. With British colonization in the late 18th century, the political power of the Asante people weakened. However, the independence movement of that era relied on support from indigenous rulers, which helped maintain the cultural heritage of the Asantes. In the capital city of Kumasi, artisans from the Asante and other ethnic groups, they come together and receive public patronage. According to the Textile Society of America Symposium proceedings, the craft of Kente weaving is, well, deeply rooted in Asante's cultural practices. Myths and legends hold that a spider actually taught the skill of weaving designs from a single thread to two young men in the Asante region. When this special cloth was presented to the ruler of the Asante Empire, Nana Oti Akenten, it was named Kente, which means basket. However, the historical roots of Kente cloth can also be traced back as far as 1000 BCE to the textile production practices of the Akan people of the Ivory Coast and the people of the Volta region, or southeastern Ghana. And, you know, it's important to note that the people of the Volta region call their fabric
Kente.
And not Kente.
Kente.
Or Kente. We are one people of a nation. Initially, the Kente cloth was a royal regalia, exclusively reserved for the Asantehene or chiefs. Yes, the rulers were the only people allowed to wear it. This strong link between Kente and Asante royalty is why the world associates the cloth with Asante identity. Asante has the most documented, widespread, and historical claim of the Kente fabric. Over time, lesser rulers gained approval to wear Kente, and eventually, wealthy individuals could buy even the finest cloth, though they would not wear the same design as the Asantehene in his presence. Despite its broader accessibility, Kente cloth remained a symbol of wealth, high social status, and cultural elegance. Today, many Ghanaians wear Kente, regardless of social status or tribe. But make no mistake, the Kente worn by the Asantehene is expensive, made only for him and no one else. In fact, the wearing of Kente has been democratized. Kente is often seen at graduation ceremonies, symbolizing academic achievement and cultural pride. This practice began in the early 1990s and has since spread widely, making Kente a powerful symbol of identity and accomplishment. Recently, Africa's most exported fabric, the Kente cloth, has been recognized as a UNESCO cultural heritage. This global recognition under the 2003 Convention for Safeguarding Intangible Cultural Heritage highlights the cultural and historical significance of the vibrant, hand-woven textile. Traditionally coming from Ghana, Kente is renowned worldwide for its bold colors, intricate patterns, and deep symbolic meanings, embodying the creativity and identity of the Ghanaian people. Kente has solidified its place among the many cultural assets that government and individuals can leverage to bolster economic development while protecting an aspect of tradition cherished by the entire nation. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.